Emma notices a problem with her meal.
This isn't what I ordered.
Daniel looks at the plates.
What happened?
Emma explains the wrong meal.
I ordered grilled chicken, but I received pasta.
She wants the original meal.
I'd like to get the meal I originally ordered.
Daniel supports Emma.
Good idea.
They decide to speak to the server.
Let's deal with it now.
Emma gets ready.
Okay, I think I am ready.
Daniel offers to come with her.
Do you want me to come with you?
Emma accepts the help.
Yes, please.
The server welcomes them. Hi. How can I help you? Emma repeats the complaint.
This isn't what I ordered.
Daniel gives the full detail.
I ordered grilled chicken, but I received pasta.
The server asks a question. What did you order? Emma names the meal.
The grilled chicken with vegetables.
The server checks for changes. Did you ask for any changes to the order? Daniel explains the order.
No, just the regular grilled chicken.
The server thanks them. Thanks. That helps. Emma asks about the replacement.
Will it take long to replace it?
The server explains the kitchen plan. The kitchen can prepare the correct dish quickly. Emma understands the plan.
Okay, so I understand what I need to do.
The server agrees. Exactly. Daniel receives his food first. Daniel's food has arrived. Emma tells Daniel to eat.
You should start eating. Don't wait for me.
The server brings a small side. A small side arrives while she waits. Emma checks another option.
So that is another option?
Daniel agrees with the plan.
That sounds reasonable.
Emma accepts the solution.
Okay, let's do that.
The server promises to help. Sure. I'll take care of it. Emma asks if she needs more help.
Is there anything else I need to do?
The server offers more help. I'll let you know if anything else is needed. The correct meal arrives. The correct meal arrives. Emma checks the table.
So we are all set.
The server confirms the order. Yes, you are all set. Emma asks what to remember.
Is there anything I should remember?
The server checks once more. The server checks the order before leaving. Emma thanks the server.
Thank you for your help.
The server answers politely. You are welcome. Emma feels better after the correction.
How do you feel now?
Daniel answers.
Much better.
Emma reflects on the lesson.
I actually used a lot of useful English today.
The lesson becomes real-life practice. Real-life practice. The lesson reviews the key phrases. Let's review the key phrases. A customer reports the wrong order.
This isn't what I ordered.
A customer names the original meal.
I ordered the grilled chicken.
A customer asks for a replacement.
Could you replace this, please?
A customer asks about time.
Will it take long?
A customer confirms the correction.
Everything is correct now, thank you.
Review a clear comparison. You ordered soup but received salad. Ask politely for the correct dish. Could you replace this, please? Now it is your turn. How would you politely explain a wrong order? The restaurant lesson is complete. Practice these phrases out loud.